Hello guys, welcome back once again to my video tutorial. This is Lipsa again with you. Before starting today's video, let me wish all of you a very happy and prosperous new year. Hope you all are doing well. So let's come to our today's topic guys, that is query hint in Spring Data JPA. So guys, we all are aware of Spring Data JPA, isn't it? Now we will learn what is this query hint and how it can help us to optimize our database queries and improve our application performance. Spring Data JPA offers various ways to leverage query hints for optimizing the database queries. We'll explore all the common approaches of it in today's video. So for this, let me go to my IntelliJ IDEA so that I'll demonstrate one example for this query hint so that it will be more clear to you guys. So this is a simple project I have created, Spring Data JPA with query hint. So let me expand this project. So inside this project, I have a controller package, I have a model, and I have a repository package. So inside this controller, let me open this product controller. So I have two endpoints, that is /products to retrieve all the product list from my DB. Then the second endpoint is product/price. So I have given the price in the path variable. So it will return me the price which is greater than some value. Here you can see in the repository I have mentioned one method, that is find by price greater than the provided price. So it will retrieve all the price which has greater than this given price value. Okay, so these are two simple endpoints. So now we will see by using the query hint how our performance will be increased. So before using query hint, we will see without using query hint how the performance of our application is. So we'll see first without using query hint our application performance, then we'll use query hint and we'll check our application performance so that we can compare it will enhance our application performance or not by using query hint. Okay, so let me just go to my Postman. Before going to Postman and hit these two endpoint products and products as price, let me go to my MySQL DB to show you how many records I have in my product DB. So here I have selected the count, select count star from product.product. You can see I have 64064 number of records. So this is the number of records we are gonna retrieve from our DB. Okay, so we'll see without using query hint and with using query hint. So now let me go to my repository. Here I have the product repository. In the product repository, you can see it extends JPA repository, and I have a method find by price greater than. So what it will do? So it will return all the product list from my DB which has the price greater than this given price. Clear? So now we'll hit our endpoint. So let me hit the first endpoint, that is /products. So this /products return me all the records from my DB, that is 64064. So let me go to my console to see. Okay, so it takes 2609 milliseconds and rows is 64064. That means it returns all the list because the product size is 64064. If I go to my DB, you can see the count, that is 64064. Okay, the first endpoint returns all the product list from my DB. Then what is my second endpoint? So we are more focused on this second endpoint because it will return me the product which has the price greater than 50,000. Okay, so in the path variable I have given this price. Let me first clear this console, then I'll hit the second endpoint. Okay, so this /product/50,000, it will return me all the product list which has the price greater than 50,000. Clear? So let's go to the console and check what is the time taken for it. Okay, so see the time taken is 1998 milliseconds and the number of record returned 64014. Okay, so let me copy this time and put it in a notepad so that we'll compare with when used with that query hint annotation. Okay, so let me copy this one. Okay, so this is without using query hints. So now we'll use Spring Data JPA query hint and we'll compare the time. Clear? So let me go to my repository. So here Spring Data JPA offers us that query hint annotation. So by using this, we can see whether it is improve our application performance or not. So for this, what I'll do, on the top of this method, I will use @query hints annotation. So let's write down query hints. Okay, query hints. So inside this query hint, I'll add the query hint. Okay, so let's open the parenthesis. So inside this, I'll write query hint. Okay, so that is present inside jakarta.persistence. Okay, query hint, it will take two parameter, that is name and other one is value. Okay, other one is value. So what name will provide? So it offers a lots of query hint. According to your application requirement, you can add the query hint. So let's say I want to add org.hibernate read only. So this is my name, read only. Then I'll put the value like true. So what does that mean? Org.hibernate read only. If I'll set this read only to true, then what happens? It will tell Hibernate the result set value will not be altered or modified. Okay. So this is the query hint or org.hibernate read only. Similarly, you can add more than one query hint also. So to add more than query hint, we can just add it in an array format. Let's say I'll do like this, and all the query hint will be separated by a comma. So let me format it so that it will be easily readable. Yeah. So now I'll add another query hint. Let me just copy this one, put it over here. So my next query hint will be org.hibernate fetch size. So here I'll provide the fetch size. So how it will ask fetch size? Let's say I am providing 50. Okay, or let's say 100. You can give any value. So what is this fetch size in query hint? It tells the Hibernate how many rows or how many records you want to retrieve from the database at a time. Okay, so here I have set the fetch size is 100. So that means it will return 100 records at a time from the DB. So fetch size 100. This is another query hint. So let me put another query hint here. So likewise, you can add your query hint as per your application requirement, so that you can give a hint to Hibernate that this is my query hint, take this one and execute the DB queries. Clear? So here I want to add another query hint like cacheable. Okay, org.hibernate cacheable. Here I will provide the value true. Okay, so what does it mean? It means it will tell the Hibernate to store the search query result in the Hibernate second level cache. Okay, so instead of hitting the DB each and every time, if you allow the Hibernate second level cache by using this one org.hibernate cacheable true, then instead of hitting the DB directly, it will first search if the result set is present inside a cache or not. If it is present, then we will retrieve from that Hibernate second level cache. Okay, so let me just save this query hint and rerun my application to check how much time it will take by using these query hints. Okay, to retrieve the data from the DB. So let me just stop this one and start again. Okay, so my application started on port 8080. So let me just hit that endpoint product / price endpoint again and see what is the difference between the first one, that is without using query hints, and this one using query hints. Okay, so before this, let me just clear this console, go to my Postman and hit this endpoint again. Okay, so it returns me the result product list which has the price greater than 50,000. Now we'll see how much time it will take. Let me go to my console. Okay, see here, time is 960 milliseconds. That is using query hint. Okay, let me just copy this one, go to my notepad and paste it over here. So you can imagine without using query hints, it takes 1998 milliseconds. Okay, but with using query hint, it takes only 960 milliseconds. So it's almost half of the this time. Okay, so you can imagine how the application of the performance or how the query hint helps us to optimize our database operation. Clear? So also you have other query hint you can add like this. Let me add over here. Yeah. So you can add the query hint like this: jakarta.persistence.cache retrieve mode, that is value is used. So if we'll add this query hint, so what will it do? So it will tell the Hibernate to retrieve the result set from the second level cache. Okay, value is used. Similarly, if you want to store the result set into the Hibernate second level cache, then you can use value used. Then what does this one? This is the important one. Jakarta.persistence query.timeout. It will take the value in millisecond. So I have set the value that is 1000 millisecond. That is nothing but 1 second. Correct. So what does this mean? If I set the query timeout to 1000 millisecond and your query is taking more than 1000 millisecond, then what will happen? It will just abrupt the query and throw us a query timeout exception. Clear? So that's it. So guys, in this topic we learned about the importance of query hints in Spring Data JPA and how it helps us to optimize database queries to enhance application performance. That's it for today's video guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll come up with another new video. Till then, thanks for watching. Thank you.